the love God. To them all the call, according to His purpose. How many are called, a few are chosen. And we know that all things work together for good. To them that love God, to them who are the called, according to His purpose. How many are called? How many are called? A few are chosen. A few are chosen. Before I formed you in the womb, I know you. And before you were born, I sanctified you. You did not choose me, but I chose you. And appointed you that you should grow and bear fruit, and that your fruit should abide, so that whatever you ask the Father in Jesus' name, He may give it to you. But you are chosen generation, a royal priesthood, a holy nation, a people for His own possession. God brings about justice for His elect, who cry to Him day and night. Behold my servant, whom I uphold, a chosen one, in whom my soul delights. We're chosen the poor of this world to be rich in faith. Ikaw na may espiritu na mata, gumising ka, at kung makita mo ang buhay sa kabilang banda, na doon matatanaw mo ang iyong halaga sa mundong iyong ginagalawan. Kung ano ang tunay mong layunin sa sangkatauhan, ang iyong paghihintay ay may dahilan. May mga pag-uusik ka na bang napagdaanan? Ito'y sinyalis na ika'y isa sa nakalaan. Know that the Lord has set apart the godly man. Kung ramdam mo ikaw ay hiwalay, ikaw ay hinahanda para sa isang malaking bagay. Di ka na masaya sa oras na laging hinahabol mo, at may mas malawak pa na mundong naghihintay sa'yo. Dahil ramdam mo, mas malayo pa ang kaya ng isip at puso mo. Alam ko na ikaw ay may kakaibang abilidad at talento na nangingibabaw sa ibang mga tao na may tapang gaya ni Lapu-Lapu, at may matatag na pagkatao tulad ng ating pambansang bayani. Hindi ka makasarili, iyo laging iniintindi ang iba kung ano ang sa kanila'y makakabuti. May mataas ka na pang unawa at ibang uri ng ideya sa paglika, at kaalaman na hindi maunawaan ng karamihan, dahil sa iyo lang ito pinapakita ng buong may lika. Ang iyong damdamin ay likas na pagka maawain, handa laging tumulong sa mga naaalipin. Ang iyong puso na mapagpakumbaba, kaya marami ang nagmamahal sa iyo, mapabata man o mapamatanda. And we know that all things work together for good to them that love God.